We are live at the San Juans. In our last video of day 1, we traveled to Los Angeles and then to Las Vegas. On our way, we stopped for the best burger we ever had at a place called Gold Burger. And then we had some delicious Filipino desserts. In this video, we traveled for day 2 from Las Vegas to Salt Lake City to see one of my best friends, and then to Lava Hot Springs, Idaho, where we stayed for 2 nights. So kick back and come along with us in this exciting road trip. So guys, we just came here to Salt Lake City, our next destination. Stopped to just get something to eat really quick, and we decided to stop at this place called Cup Bop. It's a Korean barbecue in a cup. So, and we're gonna meet up with my friend Dan, one of my best friends who I've known for years. So, Max, I'm recording. Let's try this beef bowl. There's some noodles, some rice. Some looks like some cabbage in there too. Good. Nice and sweet. Okay, I'm gonna be washing it down with some of this Milky's banana flavor. Oh, it's like a banana flavored soda. Hey! Oh, nice party meal! Oh my gosh! Man. Oh my gosh!
Don't we saw.
Okay, we finally made it here to Lava Hot Springs. Just a quick stop from Las Vegas, and now we're here in Idaho. And our first thing we're gonna do today is gonna hit up the hot springs since it's almost sunset time. Let's go. You guys ready? Look at it, he's river rafting. Let's go outside, let's go check it out. The hot springs is about a minute walk from our motel. Pretty cool. It's about 8:15 p.m. right now. Still sunny, sun hasn't set yet. And it's nice and warm. It's about like 80 degrees right now. It's gonna be fun. Yeah.
It's too hot, that's why we got out.
How many degrees?
It was super steaming hot. It's like so hot, it like burned my leg.
It burned your leg? Burned your leg? You wouldn't have a leg then. Alright guys, there's like 3 pools. One is like 112 degrees. This one's like between 106 and 110. The one with a lot of people back there, it's about 101 degrees. It's hot, really hot. But this is like my showers, like really hot. So